To meet the needs of transporting goods or logistics, several automotive manufacturers have launched various ground train products that can carry loads with very large volumes. And it's not just about that. From a size perspective, these trucks are seriously lengthy, thanks to modular trailers, which are combined based on the cargo's length. Here, techprime will showcase some of the longest trucks in the world. Make sure to watch till the end, yeah! Starting off, we have the Velson Truck from Germany, which has been around since 1968. This vehicle itself has a length of up to 23 feet for the CL35.72 type. Its use, well, it's usually utilized in the industrial sector for transporting silos or storage containers for bulk materials, such as flour, chemical powders, or waste processing. Equipped with a special hook that uses a hydraulic system, this truck is very adept at moving containment when operated. Meanwhile, its carrying capacity can reach up to 20 tons. Its toughness is inseparable from the use of high-quality steel materials on the chassis. Moving on to a truck commonly used specifically in mining areas. Bis Industries, as a provider of heavy transport equipment used at the Christmas Creek mining site in Australia, also has a strong fleet capable of carrying materials up to 500 tons. Typically, trucks that have as many as 4 trailers are about 65 feet or more in length. If referring to the length of each dump truck, which generally reaches 13 to 20 feet. Moreover, the advantage of this truck itself lies in the hydraulic system in each of its dumps that can operate alternately to dispose of the material being transported. Without fearing the truck will lose its balance. And this one is no less impressive. Still in Australia, road trains there have indeed become a very important means of transportation for the acceleration of logistics delivery and industrial purposes. No half measures, their trucks operated can have a total length of more than 98 feet. Volvo is one of the world's renowned truck manufacturers widely used there. Typically, they're used for transporting mining products, oil, or livestock with load capacities that can reach up to 200 tons. The use of these super-duper long trucks is also regulated by the laws in the land down under. Interestingly, Maxine Taylor is one of the drivers who routinely pilots these trucks for distances up to 500 miles. Even at the age of 52, when Volvo posted her video in 2016. Wow, let's hope she stays strong and safe. Next, there's the Odol, over-dimension overload truck, which also has incredible capabilities and a very long trailer. The Kameg articulated truck with a MAN TGX 41.680 truck head has a length of 233 feet, a width of 21.6 feet, a height of 17.7 feet, and an empty weight of up to 360 tons. In terms of its carrying capacity, it's also very impressive. Besides having high flexibility during turns, this giant vehicle has also transported loads weighing up to 150 tons. When operated in the process of transporting heavy equipment to a port in Belgium. Pretty strong, right? But all that is just the tip of the iceberg, because there's an even longer truck out there. It's the Fanville Max. Who here can guess how long it is? It turns out this truck, powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine, once carried a giant tube with dimensions reaching 243 feet in length and weighing up to 400 tons. Wow! In the northern United States, the task of semi-trailers in transporting heavy loads is not something new. Moreover, the workers behind the incredible capabilities of this vehicle also equip it with a steering angle that can turn up to 60 degrees and can be manually operated via remote control. Not to be outdone by its competitors, Scania, a Swedish automotive manufacturer, also made a surprise after its articulated truck reached a size of 295 feet in length. The vehicle, based on the Scania R730, was tested by a Scania employee in collaboration with a logistics company to carry 10 containers, with a total weight of 296 tons. And it turns out what was done in a port in Gothenburg, Sweden in 2013 seemed successful in carrying logistics loads that were beyond the maximum limits. And lastly, as a renowned vehicle manufacturer in the world, Volvo also proved the fierceness of its trucks in an experiment conducted on the FH16 type. This truck itself even had 20 semi-trailers, carrying as many as 40 containers. That means the total length of the truck reached 394 feet, if referring to the standard container size, which is about 20 feet long, not just carrying a load weighing up to 750 tons. This wild test also tried out the truck engine's agility to pull a load with a distance of about 328 feet, with an amazing final result because it succeeded in breaking the record that was tested. Wow, indeed, Volvo always creates surprises.